Nikon insiders just leaked something massive. The ultimate flagship successor is coming, the Nikon Z9 II, a pro-level beast with global shutter, blazing burst speeds, and red cinema technology inside. And at the end of this video, I'll reveal an insider Olympics connection that could prove this camera is already being tested in the wild. You're watching Alt Buzz, your source for the latest camera rumors and tech leaks. If you're into photography gear, hit that subscribe button right now and let's dive into what could be the most important camera launch of 2026. Would you upgrade to the Z9 II on launch day? Drop a yes or no in the comments right now, because what I'm about to show you might just change your mind. Back in 2021, Nikon shocked the industry with the Z9. It was the first mirrorless flagship to drop the mechanical shutter entirely, and it became a workhorse for professionals in sports, wildlife, and cinema production. The camera changed everything we thought we knew about mirrorless technology. But now, 4 years later, competition has absolutely exploded. Canon is hyping the R1 with its own insane specs. Sony is pushing the Alpha 1 Mark II with breakthrough autofocus, and Nikon cannot afford to sit still, which is why whispers from Tokyo suggest they are secretly preparing the Z9 II, a camera that could raise the bar all over again. Industry sources are calling it Project OM system internally, and when you hear these specs, you'll understand why. And insiders say the sensor inside this new flagship will be unlike anything Nikon has ever built before, thanks to some revolutionary technology that even Sony doesn't have yet. The Z9 II is rumored to feature a 45.7 megapixel stacked full-frame CMOS sensor with a hybrid global shutter. Let me explain why this is absolutely game-changing. That means zero rolling shutter distortion, no blackout whatsoever, and cinema-grade readout speeds that would make Hollywood directors jealous. For photographers, it is the end of warped action shots forever. For filmmakers, it is true global shutter power without any compromise in image quality. This sensor technology is allegedly being developed in partnership with a secret semiconductor company, and early tests show it can capture 14-bit RAW files at speeds that seem physically impossible. Wildlife photographers are already calling this the holy grail sensor they've been waiting for. Sports photographers say this could finally let them capture that perfect moment every single time. But wait until you hear how fast this camera could actually shoot, because the numbers are going to blow your mind. Leaked specs point to 120 frames per second blackout-free RAW bursts, with pre-capture recording that lets you catch moments before you even press the shutter. Think about that for a second. You could literally capture action that happened 3 seconds before you press the button. That would shatter industry records and put Nikon ahead of both Canon and Sony in the speed wars by a massive margin. The buffer depth is rumored to handle over 1,000 RAW files in a single burst. That's nearly 10 seconds of continuous 120 frames per second shooting. Professional sports photographers testing early prototypes are reportedly calling it witchcraft. One unnamed tester said they captured an entire 100-meter sprint in full resolution RAW without missing a single frame. And the video side is just as insane, because this could be Nikon's most cinematic camera ever created. We are talking 8K video at 60 frames per second with zero crop, internal RAW recording up to 12-bit, Nikon's enhanced N-Log 3, and most importantly, full integration of Red codec technology. Remember, Nikon acquired Red Digital Cinema earlier this year for $450 million. That technology is now expected to trickle into the Z9 II, giving filmmakers Red-level workflows in a mirrorless body that weighs less than half of a typical cinema camera. Imagine capturing Olympic sports in Red RAW straight from a Nikon camera. The data rates are rumored to reach 2,000 megabits per second internally. 4K recording could go up to 120 frames per second with full sensor readout. And here's where it gets really interesting. Sources suggest Nikon is implementing Red's famous color science directly into the camera, meaning you'll get that legendary Red look without needing any external recorders. The camera will also feature advanced tools for filmmakers, including false color, vector scopes, and professional audio controls with 32-bit float recording. This isn't just a photo camera that shoots video. This is a cinema camera that also happens to take incredible stills. Advanced AI subject detection, deep learning algorithms is expected to identify athletes by their jersey numbers, wildlife by species, vehicles by type, and even predict movement patterns before they happen. The autofocus system uses 921 phase detection points covering 96% of the frame. Combine that with 9 stops of in-body stabilization, the best in the industry, and you have a camera that could deliver tack-sharp results even when shooting from a helicopter. The AI doesn't just track subjects, it learns from your shooting patterns. Shoot basketball for a week, and the camera will start predicting player movements. Focus on wildlife, and it'll learn animal behavior patterns. This is next-generation intelligence that makes every photographer better at their craft. But Nikon is also completely refining the body itself, and here is what the design could look like based on patent filings. Rumors point to a magnesium alloy body with full weather, sealing rated to -20 degrees Celsius, built-in vertical grip with duplicate controls, and pro dimensions at around 1,340 grams. That's actually lighter than the original, despite having more features. A 3.2-inch fully articulating touchscreen with 4 million dots makes it more versatile for filmmakers and content creators. The EVF gets upgraded to 9.4 million dots with 120 Hz refresh rate, dual CFX press Type B slots with read speeds up to 1,700 megabytes per second, built-in Ethernet port, Wi-Fi 6E, and even experimental 5G connectivity put it squarely in the professional category. Battery life is expected to reach 740 shots per charge, or 6 hours of continuous 8K recording. The new ENEL 18D battery charges to 80% in just 30 minutes using the new rapid charger. The original Z9 launched at $5,499. The Z9 II is expected to debut at $6,499 body only, which honestly seems reasonable given these specs. But here's the twist that nobody's talking about. With the 2026 Paris Olympics on the horizon, insiders warn supply could be extremely limited, potentially driving scalper prices above $7,500 in the first 3 months. Just like the launch frenzy we saw with the original Z9, demand could completely overwhelm supply. Pre-orders might sell out in minutes. Camera stores are already telling customers to get on waiting lists now, even though the camera hasn't been announced. One major retailer told me they expect allocation to be less than 20% of demand. Would you pay $7,500 just to get it first? Vote in the poll appearing on your screen right now. So when exactly might we see this monster revealed? Nikon's flagship cycle has been almost exactly 4 years between major releases. Multiple sources believe we will see an announcement in late 2025, possibly October or November, at a special event in Tokyo, with full release in early 2026. That timing lines up perfectly with the Paris Olympics, where Nikon would want every professional holding a Z9 II on the sidelines. The marketing campaign is rumored to be Nikon's biggest ever, with a $200 million budget. They're allegedly partnering with National Geographic and major sports leagues for exclusive launch content. Early units might go to select professionals in December for real-world testing. But why is this camera already being called a revolution in professional imaging? The answer might surprise you. Because the Z9 II is not just another incremental update, it represents Nikon's bold answer to Canon's R1 and Sony's Alpha 1 Mark II. It could redefine what professional sports, wildlife, and cinema cameras are capable of. From blackout-free action to red-powered video workflows, this is Nikon's chance to seize the flagship crown after years of playing catch-up. This camera could shift the entire professional market. Wedding photographers could capture ceremonies in 8K RAW. Wildlife photographers could track birds at 120 frames per second. Filmmakers could produce Netflix-quality content with a camera that fits in a small bag. The Z9 II isn't just competing, it's potentially game-changing. Do you think Nikon will take the crown from Canon and Sony? Comment your prediction below because the battle is about to get intense. And here is the final insider whisper that'll blow your mind. Prototypes of the Z9 II are already rumored to be in the hands of 3 Olympic photographers for early testing in preparation for Paris. If true, Nikon may already be preparing to showcase this absolute monster on the world's biggest stage, which means it could sell out faster than any camera in history. If you want every insider leak, every spec update, and the fastest pre-order alerts, subscribe to Alt Buzz right now and ring that notification bell. And if this video helped you, consider sending a super thanks to support the channel, because this is only the beginning of Nikon's new flagship era. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. This is Alt Buzz, and I'll see you in the next one.